Hey there, what's up traders? Welcome again back to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to have you guys again on my YouTube channel. As you guys know, I come here every single week to break down the same to break down the chart for you guys. This will be episode 2 of my weekly analysis breakdown. As you guys, I want to just take you guys on the journey and I want to make it as consistent as possible. My previous video was about 2 weeks ago. I had to just take time off the chart because there was a massive crash last week on the crypto and the stock market area because of some investors pull out their funds. And I really don't care about that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So there was a massive crash in the crypto industry and in the stock industry. So I actually made some amount of money on that crash. And I called this on my previous video. You can check my episode 1 where I called short on all those pairs. I bagged some massive profits and I was very happy about that. You know, the market is nobody's father. I took my profits when I had to take it. If you're a new subscriber, you know I'm ranting, I'm just talking fast. I just want to make this video as short as possible. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Victor. I'm a 17-year-old trader. I'm still quite young. You know what I'm saying? I want to make it big in this industry in the next 2 years. Damn! Maybe not 2 years, but like next 5 years. Okay, let me give myself 5 years. But I want to take it as slow as possible. Alright. So enough ranting. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to smash the subscribe button as you know and turn on post notifications to what. So because this is going to be a series. So you be able to get be able to be the first person to what to watch my videos. So let's really jump into the chart. Let's see what I have some juicy pairs for you guys, some juicy trades for you guys. We are going to go massive on this trade. I'm going to go heavy on this trade. Go hard or what or go home, guys. Alright, so let's quickly jump into the chart. Enough ranting. All right, so let's quickly go. All right, guys. So welcome again back. Welcome again back to my chat, and I'm using this medium to welcome you guys back to my chat. So I'm having some actually juicy pairs. Don't let me show my chat yet. So I'm actually having some juicy pairs for you guys. So before we jump in, I hope you guys have subscribed. Let's just quickly check what we have on the chart and let's quickly see. This is my first time actually using this feature on Trading View, but I hope it goes well because if it goes well, I'm actually going to upload this video on my YouTube channel. So let's quickly check what we have on Trading View. So I'm seeing this is gold. Let's quickly analyze what we see on gold. Then quickly delete all what I have here. I'm actually in a trade on good. I'm actually in a trade on good, and I'm in some good profit. At least some amount of money. You get what I'm saying? So this is good, right? This is good. Obviously, on a what my strategy is that I come on a higher time frame, just normal price action. I come on a higher time frame. I look at where the market is heading, then I look forward trading opportunity in that same direction where the market is heading. So nothing much. It's something understandable by anybody. So let's quickly I'm using this medium to also do what? To also do a shout out to my Telegram subscribers. You guys have been doing great. They are my best buddies. And if you guys want to join them, the link will be deep below this video. So that way the link will be. So I don't want to make this video too lengthy. Let's just quickly do what we can do. So let's quickly analyze gold here. So on the higher time frame, as you guys can see, gold has been what? Gold has been pretty what? Bullish on the higher time frame. As you guys can see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Gold has actually been bullish. Gold has been overall bullish. It has just been heading for the sky. It has been making what? New highs. So let us scale lower to look for what? Now we're going to look for what? Buying opportunities. We're just going to look for buying opportunities, nothing much. Then we came lower to a weekly time frame. As you guys can see, I've mapped out my key levels very nicely. These are key levels are where the market rejects. As you guys can see, when the market came here, the market react somewhere here, came back all the way here, range for a little bit of time, came back all the way here. The market is just key levels are just to some people know them as support and resistance, but I call them key levels because those are the way the market react. So the strategy I use is top down analysis. I learned from my mentor, Dr. Willis. I have to give a shout out to him in every of my videos. A shout out to Dr. Willis for teaching me the top down analysis strategy, which has actually been making me super profitable. He's not a sponsor of this video, but I have to give him a shout out. Obviously, I respect him a lot, and I love the guy too a lot. So on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see, the market has it has been pretty bullish. You can see this inner trend line here. From this is the outer major bullish trend line. This is the inner trend line that has formed out nicely here. Let me delete this. Let me draw it again. Let me delete every single thing here. Let me delete every single thing so that I will start raw. I will start clean. So overall, we know that the market is bullish here. So and we can see this inner trend line that is forming nicely. Calm down, I'm very sorry about this. You can see this inner trend line. Let me draw this. You can see this inner trend line that is forming here. We can see this inner trend line that is forming. So what the market is actually respecting this inner trend line for a while. So let us what scale lower to for us. We are overall looking for buying opportunities. I told you I'm actually in on this trade. I'm long on this. I'm long on gold already. So let's scale lower to look forward to look for trading opportunities. So on a daily time frame, we can see that in this zone, the market has actually been ranging from here. The market has what? The market has been testing this support. The market has it's just testing the support, like it's just testing the support, like it wants to break here. It comes here, it reacts back all the way to the upside. It comes here again, it wants to break it, it reacts back all the way to the other. So obviously, this market is actually telling us that it has been in a range. It has been in a nasty range for a very long time. For like since when? This market has been in a range since it has been raining since the 5th of April 2024. So this market has actually been in a range. Gold has been in a range. And trading a range is not actually the best condition to trade as a trader. Even a price action trader, it's not the best condition for you to trade. So let us know. Let us scale lower. As you guys know, we're looking for buying opportunities. And if you guys can see this very well, the market has also formed another inner trend line, like here. Market has been respecting this trend line too. So we also look at once we scale lower to look for buying opportunities. As you guys can see, this inner trend line has been respected quite nicely. And if I draw my Fibonacci from swing low all the way to swing high, you can see an ABC movement forming. And I actually knew that the market was going to actually go long from here, because as you guys can see, let me explain this very well. As you guys can see, the market moved from the market respects Fibonacci 2. The Fibonacci 2, the market respects it big time. So as you guys can see, the market moved from the Fib level 1, Fibonacci level 1. I'm very sorry about that. I'm very, very sorry. I'm actually stressed out. Today is Sunday, and I just came back from church. I'm very sorry about if I'm being rusty. I'm very sorry. Just take it like that. I'm very sorry. So I'm trying to give you guys the best. So I can't just what can I also I can't postpone this kind of video I'm taking. Actually, time is not on my side right now. So as you guys can see, market respect the fib level very well. As you guys can see, market move from point A all the way to point B. Now came to what? We test this inner trend line at what? Point C. Now the next target for gold is at what? Is at point D. Point D is at our minus 0.27 retracement, and that's about 2,500 and 30 something dollars per ounce. So actually, gold right now is overall bullish. I'm actually still massively bullish on this pair. I'm not heavy on this pair yet, but very soon I'll soon start my position once the market pull back. Right now, the market has not opened because we're still on the weekend. So I actually knew that the market was going to rally all the way to the other side from here, because um I know this from the 0.5 retracement from on a fib level and a 0.6 retracement. The I know that zone, this particular, I'm going to draw it out now. I know that this particular zone as what? As a Willy zone. This is where the market was. The market always respect this level. If that market came and broke below this place like this, we know that okay, the market is about to go on a downtrend. I don't want to confuse you guys with all this stuff on my chart. So we shall know that market always respects the 0.5 and 0.6 retracement on the fib level. So I knew that the market was going to retest from around there. Um, so what did I do to actually enter this trade? So on a 4 hour time frame, as we know that the overall target for gold is actually up here at 2,500 and something dollar per ounce. So we're going to be looking for what? Buying opportunity all the way to this side. So how do I actually enter this trade? I'm already in on this trade. I just want to show you how I enter the trade and how I'm seeing profit. So I was talking about as you guys see on my thumbnail, the massive crash that happened. This was part of the massive crash that happened this. As you guys can see, the market just bleed all the way to the downside. I saw this crowd. I'm like, damn, I'm not trading this week, fam. So I didn't when I saw this crowd, I just actually had to close my laptop because I don't want to mess with the market anyways. Because I know that the market is about to test this inner trend line, but at the same time, I don't want to also mess with the market because the market can also act irrational. The market can act irrational. So how did I actually enter this gold buy trade? Time is actually on my side right now. I entered this gold buy trade from around here. When I draw this counter trend, I was like, wow, what a juicy peep, what a juicy movement. So I entered this buy. The lowest I can go on a time frame is a 1 hour time frame. That's because of if 4 hour is clustered, I'll come to a 1 hour because of I have to see the charts clearly and everything. I analyze on the higher time frame, but I don't enter a trade on the higher time frame. I analyze on the higher time frame to know what to know where the direction is going, to know where the market is clearly headed. So right now, although the market is actually up, so I enter my position was around somewhere. Sorry, this is long position. My position was around somewhere here. My first level target was here. My first level target is here. I'm not yet start explaining why I choose that place as first level target, but my overall target is here. Then my first level target is here. If markets come all the way here, if market come all the way to my first level target, I'll take out of my trade. Once I saw this, when I saw this breakout, small breakout, this is not actually how the trend line looks like. Let me draw a trend line again. Trend line of someone like this. So once I saw this clean breakout like about here, when I saw this clean breakout here and I saw a retest, I just waited for some small candle confirmation. Then what? I enter on a massive buy trade. So I'm actually in on this trade and I'm in profit, but um either way my stop loss were about here. So either way the market is still in my favor right now. Once the market enter, I will look for major pullbacks. The market can pull back all the way somewhere about here. The market can pull back here. I will stack in more positions, and that's what I have for gold. Let's quickly look at more. I have another pair on my ends here. I have euro CHF. So euro CHF, let me do a brief review of what I did on my last video. So on my last sorry about the notification. On my last weekly analysis video, I know this video is actually going to be lengthy. On my last weekly analysis video, I called a short on GAP. You guys can just go back and just try and test me. I just go back and check it. I was short on GAP. I was heavily short on GAP. I have about I have about one lot open. I was heavily short on JPCHF. One lot on my account is a massive. I'm sure you guys are thinking that how will I have one lot open on my account? My account is not that big, but one lot is a significant amount of money. I'm a 17-year-old guy. I'm not looking for money for a Lambo yet. I'm not looking for money for a mansion yet. I'm just looking for money to cater for myself, in school and all this kind of stuff. So one lot on my account is actually okay. I can't say my account is small. I can't tell the size of my account because I don't want to be so open about the size of my account and everything. So one lot of my account is actually okay. So I'm not here to rant. As you guys know, I said everything on my. Just go and check my previous weekly analysis video. I saw this double bottom. I said everything there. Then I was short on this bad boy since like from here, and I was just catching pullbacks. I was catching pullbacks, and guess what? I was calling it for my Telegram channel subscribers. I was calling for my Telegram channel subscribers. They were entering. I was entering the trade. I saw this trend line. This trend line now. The market is respecting this trend line big time. Is respecting this trend line big time. I still have some more. I have more. I have a trading opportunity on this pair, but I just have to give it some time. So I entered the trade about here. I entered the trade here. Or you guys can go and check my previous videos. Go and check my previous videos. I enter a trade here. I enter another trade somewhere here. I think I enter a trade another somewhere here again. Or my overall target is once I know my overall target, that's where the market is headed. But market keywords it came shy of my overall target, but I know the market is still going to rally all the way to the downside to my overall target. Though I'm currently out of this trade. I'm currently out of this trade because I made a significant amount of money on this trade, and I can't lie, I can't be greedy with the market. Once I just saw major pullbacks, I was just stacking in my position, major pullbacks, stacking in my position, major pullbacks, stacking in my position, major pullbacks, stacking in my position. So right now the market is what? If we draw our fib from swing high to swing low, we can actually pick out the 0.5 and 0.6 zone that the market is what is going to pull back into. So far the market does not pull back, pull out, pull not like pull out, like so far the market does not go out of the 0.6 retracement. The market does not go out like this. So far the market is still inside. We are still what? We are still bearish on this bad boy. So this no, I'm just using this as a result trade to you guys. I'm not going to trade this pair for now because this pair has given me enough money. I have a trading setup on Euro CHF. Majorly CHF pairs have been bleeding. CHF pairs have been bleeding. This was the market crash that happened on Monday. This was the market crash that happened on Monday. Market just bleed all the way to the downside. So let's just quickly analyze this Euro CHF. Let me delete everything on my chart. I have a trading opportunity on this bad boy. I have a trading opportunity on. I also trading EURCHF, but I didn't really stack heavy on EURCHF. Majorly, all CHF pairs are actually bleeding all the way to the downside because of major reasons. I actually can't see, but they are all bleeding to the downside. So I can't start drawing my key levels all over again. But as you guys can see on the chart, as you guys know, I come on a higher time frame. Most of the time, sometimes I also use 3 months time frame. So if I say high time frame, but what I use most is what a monthly time frame. I come on a higher time frame. I map out the key levels. As you guys can see, I map my key levels quite nicely. Don't draw your key levels to the wick of the candle. Draw your key levels to the body of the candle. So I just want to make sure my voice is audible enough for this video. This video is actually a little bit long, but we have to look for what trading opportunity. As you guys know, we have trading opportunity on gold. We just have to look for what pullbacks and what stacking more positions. Now let's look for trading opportunity on Euro CHF. As you guys know, I've marked my key level. What I say key levels are where the market rejects. As you guys can see, the market respect our key level quite nicely. Respect our key level, key level, key level, key level. So what? I have just key lower to look for what? As you guys can see, the market was on a clear, even a 3 year old child, if you call a 3 year old baby here, a 3 year old toddler here, and tell the child that what's the direction of this market? Where is it flowing? Like what is it going to? The child will definitely tell you that the market is bleeding, is falling down. Yes. So you don't have to look for selling opportunities, to stack in more positions and make money out of this market. So as you guys can see, the market has been bleeding since inception. That's been bleeding for a very long time. I don't have much time with you guys, but let's just quickly do what we can do, analyze this pair and know what we have. So as you guys can see on the weekly time frame, you can see this dead market has been on an uptrend for a while. Dead market was broke out. The one thing I want you to guys to note about trending market is that if market break out of a trend, out of like see when market breakout of this trend, it will always what it will always come to retest the support is broke out for, because the support is now what support the former support now is now a resistance right now. So the market it's broke out of the support, to the downside, then came to what retest it came to retest it. So obviously now the market is on what is on a downtrend, so those have to be for selling opportunities to bag about how many pips. I don't really calculate pips, but let's just see what we can do. Let me scale over the markets, and the candles are actually quite big on this time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see, on the 4 hour time frame, you can see this was the breakout, a retest of the resistance, and now we're all the way to the downside. So let me draw this trend line nicely. I draw this trend line nicely. Yes. Damn. No, I'm not done. So I'm very sorry. It's like the trade view didn't want me to pass 30 minutes. So let's continue what we're saying. This video is actually a lengthy video. I still have BTC I want to show you guys. BTC is very, very juicy. So as you guys can see, I'm actually choosing all the way to the downside because my first level target is here. My first level target is obviously here. So why am I choosing my overall target to be here? Why am I choosing the overall target? So one thing I want you to know about the forex market is that whatever the market does, it will always play that same move. Like after a breakout of a key level, what am I trying to say? The market like rally the market trade for about the market stay in this key level, in between these two key level, for about 1000 plus pips. It's going to what? Do that same move in the what? In the second, the second, how would I put it? Like, you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. The same move he did there was also the same move in this second place. So that I was able to what? Map out my other key level. And the reason why I did this is because this is not how it's supposed to be, because key level are supposed to be at the body of the wicks. Because the reason why I did this is because if you scale higher, you see that there's no earlier what's it called, price action, like before, or something like that. Like, if you look left, there's no any other chart anywhere on the left side. So if you don't have any other chart on the left side, the same move it did there, the same play it did there, the same amount of pips it did there, that the same amount of pips is going to what? Flow to the downside. But I don't actually see this pair doing what? I don't actually see this pair rallying all the way to the downside. Because why would this pair actually rally all the way to the downside? Why would it rally all the way to the downside? Is it that, I don't know? Is it that the market comes as ah? Wait, I can't say for this pair right now, because it's very, very rare for a market to form new lows. How would the market form new lows? Like, it doesn't. I've not seen it before. So I don't think the market is actually going to rally all the way to this place. But once market gets to my 100% retracement, I'll take as a percentage of my profit, and what? I'll set my stop loss to my entry. So that's what I have for GPM. Euro CHF. I have to analyze it clean for you guys. And trust me, this pair might rally all the way to the downside. I love this pair so much. It has made me some money too. I won't lie to you guys. So let's quickly go to um GBP USD. I have a trade on GBP USD too. I have a trade on GBP USD, but that won't be for another day. Let's go to BTC USD. Euro USD too is looking juicy. There are so many juicy pairs, guys. But let's just quickly do BTC USD because of the time we have. The time is not on our side. Um, let me delete all this. Let me delete all this. Let me delete all this. But I'll leave only my what's it called? My key levels. Let me delete all this. All this. All this. So I'm very sorry about that. So let's get on the higher time frame. As you know, higher time frame does the job, guys. Higher time frame does the job. Okay, so now, very nicely, I won't say anything now. If you guys watch all the way to this point, in the comment, just comment the trend that BTC is actually on right now. If you can look at the charts, look at my chart and just comment it right now. If you are watching all the way to this, all the way to the to this section of this, to this segment of this particular video, if you watch all the way to this side, just comment the trend that these are, we know those that actually watch all the way to this side. Comment the trend that this market is actually on. Definitely an uptrend. Yes, the market is actually on an uptrend. BTC is on a bull run. And as you guys know, the dominance of BTC in the crypto world is what? Is very significant. Above 50%. BTC is the king of crypto. BTC is the king of crypto. At least for now, except for all those meme coins that are trying to start up. BTC is the king for crypto. So right now, BTC is what? It's bullish. He's bullish. He's on a bull run. I'm trying to make this session as fun as possible, trying to clown myself, trying to turn my face, but all what you have to do is what? Looking for trading opportunities, and time is going. So this is on a bull run. BTC is on a bull run. But if you guys scale lower, there's still something I saw on BTC that is making me doubt the bull run move. So if you guys can, if you how do I put it? If you draw a Fibonacci from the recent touch of the trend line from here to this point, if you draw a fib like this, you can see that the market has not actually what? The market has not actually done a proper, the market has not done a proper retracement. Because I'm expecting the market to do what? I'm expecting the market to come and test the 0.5 fib retracement or 0.6 fib retracement, like around this zone. expecting the market to rally all the way down here before moving all the way to the upside, because the next level target, the big next level target for BTC is 100k USD per coin. So right now the market has not done the proper retracement it's supposed to do. So right now I'm waiting for BTC retracement. So I'm actually going to be selling BTC. Yes, I'm going to be selling BTC all the way to about 43k. Yes, because Fib does not lie. If you look at Fibonacci very well, you can see this play from swing low to swing high to market is supposed to test around here. This is not the best of retracement. Market still come to test this outer major trend line. Market still come to test this outer major trend line before rallying all the way to the upside, and before rallying all the way to 100k here. So right now we know that okay, BTC has not retraced yet. So definitely BTC is going to it's still going to what? It's still going to fall all the way to 43k to at least test this outer trend line, because it actually has to test it. This is the first touch, this second touch, the third touch will be the massive move. Once it touched the trend line the third time, we are heading for 100k. So what are we going to be looking for? Selling opportunity. As you guys know, disclaimer, beware that the spreads on BTC are very high. If you are trading BTC, make sure you have a stabilized account before trading BTC. That's why I first analyze those forex pairs and gold before I analyze BTC, because it's big boys that actually trade BTC. So let's actually scale us for selling opportunities. I'm still bearish on this bad boy. And if you guys look at this eye very well, you can see that the market has not actually formed the very best, um the very best. It has not actually broken out of this. This is not the best of bearish trend line, but market is definitely bearish. I can tell you for free that the market was actually bearish. So there was also a trend line I saw. Where did I see that trend? Okay, no, it's actually inside this place. So we know that when market is falling, market is crashing at this for a while. And if you look at this place very well, this should be our first level target at this point. Just for safety sake, this will be our first level target. Guys, the market just spiked all the way down here and went all the way back. So definitely this is a very, very crucial zone to consider. And our second level target should come as what? At our 43k that we saw. Let's just be very, very let's be very, very to just be on the safer side, let's put as 44,500. So we know that these are our 2 points that markets was going to come, because it might want to test this outer trend line like here. So I know I'm ranting a lot. My voice is already actually going down. My energy level is dropping, but we have to analyze this pair. So we have to look for selling opportunities. So let's just quickly trade this pair and know what we have on it. Let's know our take on this pair, man. So if you guys actually like, if you're a big fan of Fib, you will know where. I don't like all this notification. If you're a big fan of Fib, you will know where the market is heading to next. If you take this from this eye now all the way to where the market was tested, you can see that the market has what? It has pulled into this zone. This 0.5 and in between 0.5 and 0.6 zone, the market has pulled in there. The market is just stuck there. It's stuck there. I feel because of on weekend the market is, though crypto do not close, but the market is slow. Yeah, the market is actually very slow. So you can see that the market is what? It's stuck in between this zone. It's actually stuck there. It doesn't know where to go anymore, because this is actually the what? This is meant to be the retracement zone, because that market is supposed to come from here, from A to B, towards to come and test C around there before coming all the way down. So as you guys can see, perfect. As you guys can see, market is what? Market respected our level target. If you look at this green bar, where this green bar was, you can see that it's close to where the extension of the -0.27 retracement is. This video is actually very, very long, very, very long, and it's very, very sad that it's very, very long, because I have to elaborate. I have to express my mind. So, and I don't want anybody to take L's in this market. So right now I'm looking for sales all the way down here. So I don't like calculating the amount of pips we're going to back, but we're definitely going to back a significant amount of pips. Let me also show you a confirmation that this market is about to rally all the way to the downside. So you can see this counter trainer that was holding this this pullback, this small pullback. You can see this counter trend line what has been broken by what, by a 4 hour candle. You can see a 4 hour candle close, and you can see that the market is what, the market is actually opening a 4 hour candle again outside the counter trend line. So right now hmm, I will enter this trade on Monday. That's tomorrow. In next 10 hours, I will enter this trade, and I will enter this trade in the next 10 hours. I will enter this trade at the daily candle open. Let me check this thing on a daily time frame. As you guys can see, as you can see, if this daily candle should what? If this daily candle should close below this counter trend line. This daily candle should close below this counter trend line. Trust me, daddy. As my mentor will say, trust me, daddy. Look, we're going to back this. I will advise you take this trade if you have a good amount of if you have a good what's it called? If you have a good you have a significant amount of money as a as your capital. I'll advise you take this trade. Your stop loss should be all right. So I'm very very sorry for the break in transmission. I'm very sorry for the break in transmission. You guys not be able to see my beautiful face anymore. But you guys, as I was saying, you guys you should be able to take this trade. So your stop loss should just be a little bit above here. I'm very sorry to delete all my levels. Let me quickly plot them back. Let me quickly plot some of the stuff I did. So this is the release zone that we talked about. The release zone, the retracement zone, where the market is going to what? The market is going to pull back all the way to down. So your stop loss should be a little bit above it. Let me do this Fibonacci. So your stop loss should be a little bit above it. Though the stop loss is actually wide, but if you start, I won't advise you to stack. I won't advise you to use a very big loss size for each trade at the initial. As you guys know, our first level target is here, then our overall level target is here. So if you have a significant amount of money as a capital, you can definitely enter this trade. Hey guys, thank you so much for staying to the very end of this lengthy video. I think about 50 minutes or above 50 minutes. It's too long, and it's actually very very discouraging because of people don't have high attention span and stuff like that. So actually this is my take on BTC. I'll actually try to manage my time on my next video, and I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to smash subscribe button if you're a new subscriber, and if you love my video, just comment below what you have to do about it. Is there's no point in me. How will I know if you love my video if you don't comment? Please comment, and we'll see you in the Telegram community. Telegram community is open. The link will obviously be down below, and this video will actually be going live on Monday, Monday the 12th of August 2024. All right, guys, I'm feeling so rusty right now. I have to go and take something to eat. My eyes actually cloudy and everything. So, peace out, guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to smash subscribe button. Peace.